Hey y'all, I thought today we would compare this little wig, this is Premium by Gabor, to a super popular one that is a basic cap from Noriko called Alva. So let's look at it. I sounded like a parrot. What sets her apart is she has a lace front. Can y'all see that? Look how pretty that is. All the way to the hairline. It just blends so good. Now you could kind of do a lot with this. It's intended for you to wear the bangs forward. So that's what her style is. So bangs forward. Bangs are a little long for me, so they're intended for you to trim those. But this is a lace front, and this little style is so popular in my little wig studio. Let's look at Alva compared to that. All right, so let's look at Alva. Alva is so popular. It's very popular in my little wig salon here, my little wig studio. The drawback to Alva is she is a basic cap. And so I have so many people that just love Alva, love everything about Alva, her little style, the length, the fibers, everything about Alva, but she is a basic cap, which is not a deal breaker for everybody. I mean, I have one and I love it. So the bangs are gonna need a little bit of a trim if this were your wig. This is not my wig, since the tags are hanging off of it still. So they come from the factory with super long bangs usually, and they're intended for you to just kind of trim them to make them fit where you want them to fall. If they come in short and you happen to have a long forehead, then they're gonna look like micro bangs, and nobody wants that. I mean, unless that's what you're going for. But they don't wanna make that decision for you. They want you to do that. So this is Alva in marble brown. Yes, marble brown rooted. So she's got a little bit of a root there. Let me spin so y'all can see the length of her on me. Now I have a really long face at 7.5 inches, so a lot of these styles are gonna look shorter on me than they will on most of the other population that wears wigs. The rest of y'all that wear wigs, it probably will be longer on you. So let me show y'all the inside of her cap. I mentioned that she's a basic cap. Everything else, she is open wefted, just like Premium was. She does have probably a little bit more permatease than Premium, but let me put Premium back on so y'all can see that. And so if you're just in love with Alva, but you just feel like you have to have a lace front, then Premium might be an option for you. So let me get her laid down. I believe that Premium is gonna lay a little sleeker than Alva did. Now the bangs are a little bit longer on Premium than they were on Alva. So when I have them pulled forward, I can't see y'all. So we're gonna just split these so that I can see to film this video. But that gives you an idea of how they would hang after they were trimmed. So this is Premium from Gabor. And I would say this has a little less permatease, so it lays a little flatter, which some people are really after. So if you're interested in Alva and it has too much permatease for you and it's basic cap, check out Premium, because I think this is a very good big sister, different brand than Alva. What do y'all think? There we go. Okay, y'all have a good one. Bye y'all.